Hi, in this video I'm looking at this problem here where we're looking at expected life of an incandescent light bulb, and we think that it can be considered as a random variable with an exponential distribution where lambda is 1 on 900. And we want to work out these four things. How long do you think we can expect it to work? What is the probability that a bulb will last 1,000 hours? And then we're going to compare it to some other bulbs. If compact fluorescent bulbs last 8 times longer, what's the probability that a fluorescent bulb will last at least 1,200 hours? And if an LED bulb lasts 5 times longer than that, what's the probability that an LED one will last longer than 1,200 hours? So for this problem, we've got lambda equals 1 on 900. And we're going to use a couple of rules here for these problems. One is the expected life of a exponential distribution function, which is 1 on whatever lambda is. And the other is that the probability that a value will be between a and b, so two given values, is the integral between a and b of f of t dt, where f of t is the exponential distribution, which is lambda e to the negative lambda t. So we're going to use these two rules and this piece of information to answer these four questions. So let's have a look first at part A, because it's the best place to start. We want to know how many hours you would expect an incandescent bulb to work. And if we're asked how many hours would you expect it to work, that's the expectancy. And so that's where we're going to use our expectancy formula, which is 1 on lambda. And so we're going to have 1 on 900, our lambda up here. And so if you work that out, our expectancy is going to be 900 hours. And that's all we have to do for part A. We know that a incandescent light bulb is expected to work for at least, well, around about 900 hours. So let's go and have a look now at part B. We want to know that a particular bulb lasts at least 1,000 hours. So at least 1,000 hours means that we want the probability that the time it lasts is going to be greater than or equal to 1,000. So we know that we can expect a bulb to last 900. What's the probability that it's going to last at least 1,000 hours or longer? So we basically, what's the probability we're going to have a really long lifespan? Now, the probability for us, we need a range of values, and all I've got here is that I want greater than 1,000, greater than or equal to 1,000. So that's going to be the same as the probability that my time is from 1,000 up to infinity, because that's going to be the maximum. It's going to last effectively forever. Well, we're going to assume basically forever. So now if we go and put that into our integral, we're going to have the integral between 1,000 and infinity of f of t. Now f of t is going to be lambda, which is 1 on 900, times by e to the negative lambda, 1 on 900, times by t, integrating with respect to time. So now we just need to work out this integral. So working out this integral means that we're going to have 1 on 900 e to the negative 1 on 900 t divided by negative 1 on 900, because the 1 on 900 just comes down, e to the number t becomes e to the number t divided by the derivative of number t, which is just number. So let's tidy this up a little bit. The 1 on 900s are going to cancel out, so we're going to have negative e to the negative 1 on 900 t between 1,000 and infinity. So now let's put in our bounds. So we're going to have, if we substitute in, negative e to the negative 1 on 900 multiplied by infinity. Subtract off negative e to the negative 1 on 900 times by 1,000. Now, e to the infinity, because any number times infinity is just a bigger infinity, so we've got e to a big infinity. Well, this one's a bit of a smaller infinity, but it's still infinity. E to the infinity, because e is an exponential graph, and because it's got a negative infinity, so we're going to be going down, it approaches but never quite reaches 0. So this graph approaches 0 as we approach infinity. So our first term is just going to be 0. And then we're going to have minus negative, which is the same as plus. And so we're going to have plus e to the negative 1,000 on 900. So we can go and put that into our calculator, and we'll get an answer of 0.329193, and the decimal places just keep going. So we can say the probability that a light bulb lasts greater than or more than 1,000, greater than or the same as 1,000 hours is going to be approximately 0.329. So just over a 30% chance of us having a bulb that lasts for more than 1,000 hours. So now we need to go and have a look at part B. And part B, so now we need to go and have a look at part C. And part C, that if a fluorescent bulb lasts 8 times longer than incandescent, what's the probability that it'll last at least 1,200 hours? So if we have a look then at part C, we want our expectancy to be 8 times longer, because that's what we want. We know that our expectancy for a incandescent bulb is 900 hours, but we want a fluorescent bulb which is going to last 8 times longer. So we're expecting it to last up to 7,200 hours. So that we can work out our integral, we need to work out lambda, and expectancy is 1 over lambda. So therefore, our lambda is going to be 1 on 7,200. So then we can go to our probability that the time will be greater than or equal to 1,200. So that's going to be the integral between 1,200 and infinity of lambda, which is 1 on 7,200, times e to the negative lambda times t. So we would have negative e to the negative 1 on 7,200 times by t between 1,200 and infinity, which gives us negative e to the negative 1 on 7,200 times infinity minus negative e to the negative 1,200 on 7,200. So again, we're going to have 0 plus e to the negative 1,200 on 7,200. So our probability that t is going to be greater than or equal to 1,200 for a fluorescent bulb is going to be approximately, if I round straight away, to 0.846. So we're far more likely to have a bulb that lasts up over 1,200 hours. So if we do the same for part D, because part D says that an LED bulb will last 5 times longer than a fluorescent bulb, so what's the probability it's going to be more than 1,200 hours? So we're going to use the same maths. So for part D, the expectancy of a fluorescent bulb was 7,200 hours, and an LED bulb lasts 5 times longer than that. And so that gives us 36,000 hours, which is 1 on lambda. So our lambda is going to be 1 on 36,000, sorry. And so we want the probability that t is going to be greater than or equal to 1200, which means that we're going to have the integral between 1200 and infinity of 1 on 36,000 e negative 1 on 36,000 t. And so we will have negative e to the negative 1 on 36,000 t between 12,000 and infinity, which means that if we follow the same pattern, we're going to have 0 plus e to the negative 1200 on 3600, which means that our probability that an LED bulb will last more than 1200 hours, if I round straight away, is going to be approximately 0.967. So almost guaranteed, not quite, but we can say that an LED bulb will last more than 1200 hours quite comfortably. So there we go. The expected life of an item can be found using 1 on lambda, or we can use the expected life to find lambda, and we can use that lambda within our exponential distribution function, use the probability density, and we can find out what's the probability that it's going to last longer than a certain time.